There are a lot of advantages of parts printed out in additive manufacturing. Maybe the most important is you can do parts that you can't do with machining.
It's impressive to see how many people from all the different industries and big companies are here.
I think we realize that AM is not just going to be one company or one industry. It needs to be multi-sectors and multi-industries.
Talk about the different ideas from different big bosses, from big companies. It's very nice to know different ideas shared from them.
Great occasion for people to meet and to exchange ideas about the market, about the applications, the materials.